lugar aron paminawon.
Tumulupyo.
Good afternoon, Council.
Sa man imo ang maistorya or unsa
The conference will now be adjourned. Good afternoon, Katipuneros.
Good afternoon, Mayor.
All the citizens of Katipunan, Zamboanga del Norte Municipality. I stand here to propose towards you that in Barangay Dos Murayo, Katipunan, Zamboanga del Norte, a sports complex. Why? Because instead of those young ones, pag-asa ng bayan, instead of them doing drugs, doing some illegal things that would destroy the municipality, why not convince them to engage in sports? Why not? So that is why I propose towards you, citizens of Katipunan, that we, the municipality, will create sports complex.
Oh, Mayor, that is a good idea. When this project started, Mayor?
At exactly next month, we will start this project. And for you not to be shocked, we, the board members, already decided that the citizens of Morayo, Barangay Morayo, are going to be relocated.
Question, Mayor.
Yes.
How about the residents of Morayo?
Yes, they will be relocated in Puro Cuatro. Puro Cuatro is a very vast and wide land for those people who's going to be relocated.
Actually, Mayor, there is an issue that the place of Bukana or Puro Cuatro is not good enough. So, daghan na kayong maapektuhan sa relocation or sa sports complex, Mayor. And saan man mo pag-assure ang residents to have a compensation in their house or their livelihood.
So at the same time, we have enough budget, We have enough budget to build the houses. So in creating sports complex, we are going to create the houses of those people who are relocated. Katipunan
Is there a memorandum about that, Mayor?
We are going to make a memorandum and it is already approved. It is approved by the board that we are going to relocate those people.
Mayor, question again. So, we know that that place is prone in flood. And you think the targeted time will be enough for that place to be better in kanang patukuran of sports complex?
Yes, as we have enough budget, pwede na ito tambakan. Pwede na magpuhaw daghan yung mga kabalasan ng kayutaan para itambak to prevent flood from going into that place.
Excuse me, Mayor. How about ang mga fishermen? Lagi sila sa dagat. Ang mamura lang hanap buhay.
That is why we, the board members, decided that upon relocating, we were also going to provide them things like abono, seeds for them to plant, change of job.
Mayor, how about the other people na most of the people living there is an IP or indigenous people. So, some of them is not agreeing on your project. Kay naa sila ikatang dayon na sila o mabalik pa sila ng lugar, and also they cannot agree sa imong location nga imong gihatag.
If they won't agree, Katipunan has very vast lands, very vast land that is unoccupied yet. That is why, not just in Puro Cuatro, but we can relocate them in Barangay Nias, Barangay Mapang, Santo Niño, or any kind of barangays.
How about, sir, hindi na ba enough ang gym para magdumaon ng sports complex?
Gym is too very small. Very small, only basketball. We need a much more bigger for the sports, just like soccer, volleyball, any kind of sports that can be fit in to the sports complex.
So what if the residents would not agree on that, Mr. Koam?
I can assure them that they would agree to that further project. That's would be all. The conference will now be adjourned. Thank you.
Maayong adlaw sa tanan. Ania kita karon diri sa Sitio Murayaw para mag-interview og isa ka residente sa maong lugar aron paminawon ang ilang mga hinanakit ug ilaang side sa maong programa nga ipatupad ni Mayor Coong. Naata karon para interviewon si ngalan nimo, sir? Si Sir Angelo. So, Sir Angelo, nadungog na nimo ang maong programa nga buhaton ni Mayor Coong nga sports complex kuno sa inyo ang lugar. So, unsa man imo ang maistorya or unsa imo ang side nga pahapahawaon naman mo diri nga maong lugar?
Para lang sa ako no, ug sa kwan isip tumulupyo sa maong lugar, dili kami musugot na aprubahan ang proposed project ni Mayor Coong tungod kay ang amo panginabuhi sa dadumi na maligya duol na kay sa maong panimalay ug makales na mi sa kung unsa amo ang kinahanglan gamiton. Pero kung i-relocate mi, wala mi kabalo kung taga-abi mi compensation kung sa among nagasto sa among balay. Tas nagalayo na sad kung i-relocate mi kay bukid na kaayo. Makadungag among gasto, ang among kita sa panginabuhi malas na lang tungod kay ang among kita amo lang siyang ipalit og igasolina para pag-travel sa among mga baligya. Mao nang dili kami musugot na i-approve ng project ni Mayor og i-relocate mi sa layo tungod kay ang among panginabuhi nawala na og wala na mi kabalo kung saon kay mag-start up mix sinuganan kung mag-gani.
So, mao to, base sa giingon ni Mayor Coong sa iya ang interview, no? Ingon siya nga dako daw og lugar ang katipunan para dito mo mamuyo. Sangayon ba ka ato, sir?
Wala pa mi gayud kabalo ug mo dili kami musugot kay wala ta kabalo kung kana ba jud lugar is dako ug safety ba jud kay base sa muna puy-an karon luwas kami maayo kay pamuyo namo og ang among mga anak, among mga pamilya hapsay na kay pagapuyo pero pag-relocate sa among ni mayors kung asam gami i-relocate niya wala mi kabalo kung safety ba mi didto.
Mao to, no? Mao to ang side ni Sir Angelo sa maong programa or project ni Mayor Coong. Daghang salamat.
Good afternoon, Council of Katipunan Municipality.
Good afternoon, Mayor.
I have come to address one problem that is against by the people of Katipunan Municipality. The proposal of sports complex in Barangay Dos Murayaw. Now, what can you tell about the proposal of Barangay Dos Murayaw sports complex?
Mayor, the residents there, they are not agree with your project, Mayor.
Yes, any kinds of...
So that's why we need to find maybe another ways, especially mo good Mayor, ang ilagitong panginabuhi ang dito,
Yes.
no? Ma-change na maganda tayo. Yes, yes, kung affect ang ilang mabuhay, that's why dahil mga disadvantages.
Contradictions of the people.
So, what if we relocate the sports complex na lang, Mayor? Or maybe we should find another way, like, naman tayo gym. What if ito na siya i-improve or way?
This is a very big work to do since it is approved already, you know,
Yes.
the proposal. But we have still time to change it. So I guess instead of making sports complex in Barangay Dos Murayaw, I am going to renovate the municipality gym, you know, make it big, broader for the people. Do you all agree?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
That's all. Yes. Meeting adjourned. Thank you for your ideas.
Thank you, Mayor.